Introduction on Creworks. Welcome to the Creworks onboarding tutorial. This video is designed to help captains and heads of departments easily manage crew rest hours and maintain maritime compliance. First, let's talk about how the system runs. Creworks operates entirely offline on board your vessel. It is installed on the ship's main PC, and other user computers across the ship can access it using a local network link or desktop shortcut. You only need an internet connection for your very first software activation or when downloading system updates. Everything else works completely offline. First-time activation and captain setup. When initializing the system for the first time, open Google Chrome and launch Creworks. Look for the activation email sent to your ship's inbox from notifications at bluelink.sg. Copy the product license key precisely, making sure you do not include any accidental empty spaces before or after the code. And click Activate. Next, use the temporary credentials from that email to log in. The system will immediately open the onboard captain form. Fill out your details, including your name, nationality, crew ID, seaman book number, and your sign-on date. Click Next to set your default working hours. Simply click and drag your mouse across the 24-hour horizontal timeline to paint your typical schedule for days at sea and days at port. Adjust your overtime configurations on the final tab and click Create to open your dashboard. Account security and passwords. Because this application works offline, it is vital to secure a backup recovery method. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Choose 2 security questions from the drop-down options. Type your answers carefully and save them. If you ever forget your password at sea, you can use these questions to instantly unlock your account without waiting for shore support. Navigating the dashboard and role differences. Let's take a look at your main dashboard layout. If you are logged in as the captain, you have full access across all ship departments. You also have an exclusive Captain's Announcement section where you can type notices that broadcast to the entire crew. If you are logged in as a head of department, such as the chief officer or chief engineer, your access is automatically filtered to your specific department, either deck or engine. For both roles, your daily focus should be on the tracking boxes at the top of the dashboard. These boxes show you exactly how many crew updates are pending, how many timesheets need your review, and the last time your system synced data. Adding new crew and handling forgotten passwords. To bring new crew members onto the system, click the Crew tab at the top and select Add New Crew. Fill in their personal details. If you are onboarding a chief officer or chief engineer, make sure to click the Head of Department checkbox and assign their respective department so they inherit executive permissions. Set up their default sea and port working regimes, configure their overtime structures, and hit Create. The system will generate their account. Note that the system automatically sets their crew ID as their username and the ship's IMO number as their default temporary password. If a crew member ever forgets their password, don't worry. Go back to the Crew tab, find their name, and click Edit. Click the Crew Reset Password button in the top right corner. This instantly resets their password back to the vessel's IMO number so they can log back in immediately. Reviewing timesheets and the rework loop. Reviewing rest hours is one of your most important routines. Go to Timesheet and select Crew Timesheet. Use the calendar filters to view records marked as submitted. Here, you can review entries. If a crew member has a nonconformity marked by a red alert, make sure to read their required reason details before passing it. To approve records, simply check the boxes next to their names and click Verify. If you find a mistake on a timesheet after it has been submitted, you can send it back. Scroll to the far right of that crew member's row and click the Rework icon. Type a clear note explaining what needs to be fixed and click Confirm. Please note, a rework command instantly unlocks that date for the crew member. They will be blocked from entering future dates until they correct and resave the flagged timesheet. Additionally, the system will block the master from exporting monthly reports until all outstanding reworks are fully resolved and re-verified. Mastering the Event Validator. Now let's look at a critical tool for captains and HODs, the Event Validator tab. This page acts as an automatic audit system. It cross-checks the drills or trainings you scheduled in the planner against what the crew actually recorded on their daily timesheets. When you open the table, pay close attention to the number of crew column. You will see either a green or a red indicator box. A green box means everything is perfect. All the crew members you assigned to the event marked the drill accurately on their individual timesheets. A red box indicates a conflict. This means there is a mismatch. Either extra crew members who weren't assigned logged the drill, or crew members marked different drill hours than what was planned. To see exactly what went wrong, look at the event checker column. A green check mark means a correct entry, while a warning icon indicates a mismatch. Click on the number of crew to see the list of assigned personnel and spot any unmapped crew members who logged the drill. If you need to officially add someone who attended, click Add to instantly add them to the event database. If you have a mismatch warning, you have two easy ways to resolve it. First, you can click directly on the mismatch timesheet entry. The software will automatically take you to the Crew Timesheet tab so you can manually fix or rework that seafarer's hours. Alternatively, if the drill simply ran at a slightly different time than originally scheduled, click the Edit option on the event. Change the base event time to match the real-world execution window, hit Update, and the system will automatically clear the mismatch and update all related crew records to completed status, planning voyages, and international dateline, IDL. Now let's look at the Planner tool. To log a journey, go to Planner, select Active Voyages, and click Add New Voyage. When entering a port, type at least 3 letters, and the built-in system search will find the correct global port for you. Input your estimated arrival and departure times and save. If your ship is crossing the international dateline, you can manage the calendar adjustments under the Ship Plan tab. Choose your execution date. Select IDE Law Delete if you need to skip a calendar day, or IDL Duplicate if you need to repeat a day. The system gives you the flexibility to manage IDL changes for present days, as well as past days, up to 60 days back from the current date. Reports, crew sign-off, and support. Finally, let's look at pulling files and signing off crew. Under the Reports tab, captains can generate compliance reports for all crew on board. HODs can pull reports for anyone within their specific department, while standard crew members can only generate their individual personal IMO or ILO mandate reports. When a crew member is ready to leave the vessel, go to the Crew tab, click Edit next to their name, and log their sign-off date. Note that if the crew member has any unverified or missing timesheets in their history, the sign-off button will remain locked. You must verify all of their past days before the system allows you to successfully sign them off. Once signed off, their profile moves safely into the past crew's history database. If you ever run into technical difficulties, have system errors, or need assistance with software updates, send an email directly to tech support at creworks@bluelink.sg. Thank you.